We give Nigeria government 2 weeks to release Mazi Nnamdi or we are going to implement curfew and 3 weeks sit at home follows and other measures in Biafra land. Simon Ekpa, the PM of Biafra government in exile. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first day you dey come across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? No be small thing o. Oya make you go subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us here on Facebook. No forget to turn on your notification button for a quick update as e dey hot. Okay my people, na so we see am. Make we go look into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. They say the PM wey be Biafra government in exile don come outside with another one. He say he give Nigeria government 2 weeks to release Mazi Nnamdi and there is some other measures he put in place of the days there should be curfew and the days there should be lockdown in Biafra land. So I would advise you to watch this video from beginning to end so that you will hear everything he said, so that you will not miss out any part of this video. I'm going to play the video for you and we'll come back and continue. So stay tuned and watch the video. Don't skip a part of this video. So you need to hear everything he said.
From tonight, we are mandating the Nigeria government to release and free the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, on or before 15th of September 2023. Failing to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on the 15th of September 2023, I want every Biafran to listen to the following announcement. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and other prisoners of conscience must be freed unconditionally from Nigeria different detention facilities. We are going to list the names of known Biafrans that are being detained illegally by the Nigeria state. We want to make the list very public. Failing to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and these individuals before the 15th of this month, I want everyone to pay attention. From the 18th of September, we are going to embark on another round of 3 weeks civil disobedience. The 3 weeks civil disobedience is going to be targeted mostly at the Nigeria government, workers in Biafra land, and of course, to make sure that the delegitimization of the government will be enforced with everything in Biafra position. From the 18th, which is Monday, we are going to have the normal Monday sit at home the whole day. On the night between 19th, 20th, 21st, and 22nd of September 2023, there is going to be a curfew. Curfew will start from 6 a.m. to 12 noon. Thereafter, Biafra people will go to their market and do their businesses. On the 23rd and 24th of September, everybody will go to their normal businesses. There is no curfew. I want you to understand what we are saying. We have curfew, not sit at home. It is curfew. Curfew means that nobody is allowed to come out. It is a war of liberation. And what we are doing is to delegitimize the government of Nigeria, who has come to kill, maim, destroy our people, and we have nobody to run to. Than to fight for ourselves for self-defense. As of today, even though the militaries and their police are running away from the checkpoint, those nonsense bags and sandbags are still there. We want them removed from our road. We want every checkpoint, every roadblock removed from our road. You don't have it in the north. You don't have it in the southwest. It is only in the southeast. We can't take this injustice anymore. Every military checkpoint must vacate Biafra land. And after that, before the 15th of September, if the military checkpoint did not leave, believe me, it is going to be worse than what you have ever seen. But when the military checkpoint is removed, we may review this particular civil disobedience for the next action. On the 25th of September, which is Monday, we are going to have our normal Monday sit at home uninterrupted. From the 26th, 27th, 28th, and 29th, we are going to have curfew 6 to 12. From 6 o'clock to 12 noon, don't come out. It is curfew. Biafra government, both in the homeland and in the exile, will be placing curfew in the entire Biafra land from 6 o'clock to 12 p.m. From 1 o'clock, Biafra people can go out to their market and do their business. On the 30th of September and the 1st of October, there is no sit at home, there is no curfew. You can go out, do your businesses and everything. Then, on the 2nd of October, there is going to be complete Monday sit at home as usual. Then, from the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th of October, there is going to be complete curfew from 6 a.m. to 12 noon. There will be no movement during this curfew. Biafra Liberation Army will enforce it. It is targeted at to make sure that the delegitimization of the Nigerian government within Biafra territory is achieved. And I want to tell Biafra people today, we have defeated Nigeria and we continue to defeat Nigeria phases by phases, stage by stage. And this is the next stage we are going into. If you want Biafra, don't violate this particular instruction. If you want to violate it, leave Biafra land. Because we will see you as the enabler and the killers of our people. I want to inform the world that the reason we are doing this is to make sure that the killings in Biafra land is stopped. To make sure we prevent further genocide that is unreported happening in Biafra land being committed by the Nigeria state. On daily basis, people are massacred all over northern Nigeria, middle belt, and other parts of Nigeria, as aided and facilitated by the Nigeria Army and the Islamic State. Only in Biafra land we prevented that from happening, but Nigeria Army are doing it by themselves. So those of you who will complain, remember, if you complain, you go to Benue State and live in IDP camp. Choose which one you want to be. You want to be in IDP camp, or do you want to be in Biafra? Or do you want to sit at home from 6 to 12 o'clock for these 3 weeks? By the time we finish these 3 weeks, civil disobedience, we are going to review it again. And our target is to make sure that we achieve the delegitimization of Nigeria government within Biafra. We are going to rubbish and make them useless. Our only target and objective of doing this is to make sure that the Nigeria government in Biafra land is useless. Complete useless. They will never do anything. They did not come to do anything after all. They have not done anything for over 50 years. So our own objective today is to make sure that we rubbish the Nigeria government within Biafra land. And the delegitimization is just beginning. We are going to change our tactics any moment from now, and when that happens, we are going to inform Biafra people. They say some people are going diabolical. Our grandmaster says somebody is going diabolical. That somebody is going diabolical against Simon Ekpa and Biafra. I tell the person to go. He is going to bring his own death back wherever he's going. Let the person go. he will go there and bring his own death. Biafra is spiritual, and you must fight with clean hand. We are ready for you. I am personally ready for you. I want to thank you this evening for having this time to listen to this particular special State of the Nation and Biafra Liberation broadcast this evening. Biafra people, remember, nothing comes easy. The fight of Biafra to liberate Biafra is a fight to finish. Biafra government, peace, unity, progress, and equity. Biafra government, peace, unity, progress, and equity. May God bless you. May God bless Biafra. And may God bless lovers of Biafra. And may God bless those who have supported us who are not even Biafra. May God bless you as we wait those who will aid the liberation of Biafra to the finish line. I remain your humble servant, Mazi Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile. From here, from me, I wish you happy new month.
Okay, my people, welcome back. As I've watched that video and heard everything the PM will be Biafra government in exile, will be Simon Ekpa don't talk for this particular video, and he say if they know release Mazi Nnamdi, there's some measures that he put in place that he's going to do. So every Biafra today want Nnamdi to be released. I hear one article be written by Ohaneze Ndị Igbo that only thing that can make an Igbo man happy as he stand now in Southeast is by releasing the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. This is the article was coming out from Ohaneze Ndị Igbo. They write this article that is the only thing that will bring peace and will make an average Igbo man in Southeast to be happy all over the world. So this is this the talk is very clear that if they release Mazi Nnamdi today, there's going to be a peace and tranquility in Southeast. I think there will be nothing like it at home will be implemented anymore in Southeast if there is a need. But releasing Mazi Nnamdi is going to contribute to the part of everything that we are talking about today. So the Igbo leaders have to work hard to release Mazi Nnamdi. But the truth of the matter is that if Mazi Nnamdi is from other part of the country, he will not spend this time he spent inside. But the injustice in Nigeria will not allow, and our people are hungry of money. They can't speak truth anymore. So if it is when Igbo is Igbo and Igbo behave like Igbos, Nnamdi should not be inside by now, because he's fighting for just cause, for a cause of every Igbo man, every average Igbo man. And this cause that he put fire on since 2014 or 2015 till now has become more tough than ever, despite everything that happened in the past. So Ojukwu himself also fought hard for Ndị Igbo. Is a turn of Ndị Igbo to pay them back by showing a resolute. The leaders should leave money and fight for just cause, for total freedom, so that what the Westerners and other people are enjoying in their country, the Biafras can as well join it, or the Easterners or the Igbos can as well join it. I enjoy also. So releasing Nnamdi is going to end some things that are going on in Southeast right now. So, and also looking into the Biafra matter should not be sweep under the carpet, because silence sometimes spoil things. But negotiation, call to right table, discuss, dialogue is the solution of what is happening in Southeast. So my people, this is how we see them today, and we're ending it here. Then we'll leave a question for you to answer. What do you think Simon Ekpa is doing? Do you think he's doing the right thing? Leave in comment section, say supported. If you think he's not getting it right, Please write what you should do and leave your opinion is welcome. It's a freedom of speech. In this channel, you are welcome. So let's call it a day today, and we'll come back and continue. So stay tuned for more updates coming. Check our former videos that will be posted. If you have missed anyone, go and rewatch it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We are going to leave the link below this video. And if you're on Facebook, please try to follow us. On Twitter, you can find us here as well. And on TikTok, we are everywhere. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next update.